Kumusta kayong lahat? Maghuhugas lang ako ng pinggan. Yesterday, I left without washing this because I was in a hurry. So, that's what happened. Kumusta pala yung araw mo, guys? How's your morning? Sapa ba niya? Hold on, guys, ha? I have just to finish this. Anyway, guys. So, kumusta kayo, guys? Kumusta ang araw ninyo? Kagabi, what happened to that? Oh my god, I saw something outside. I have to go out there and look. Anyway, so last night I came home. It was traffic. The 3 lane turned out 1 lane sometimes, and yeah, it's so traffic. I saw something in the backyard, guys. I think ano yun, puti siya. Ano ba yun? I just kind of worried if somebody will feed my dogs to poison them. Well, no one will do that here, but I saw something out there. I'm gonna go and show you. Anyway, so at time check, it is 6:46 in the morning, and Hobbs is just been crying, guys. He's in the stairs making noises with the gate and crying, and getting louder and louder. Hey! Huh? Okay, let's show you what I saw right now. Okay. Sit down, Roxy. What is wrong with you, baby? What is wrong? Get down. Get down. Oh my god. It's some mushrooms. But you cannot eat this mushroom. I think it's poisonous. Let's go. Come in. I mean, Roxy, you're such a scotch. I think I have to check that. The sun is so nice. I'm still sleepy because, guys, if you notice, I have an annoying cat. Usually, Roxy is the annoying one. But this time, for a few months already since I bring Hubs over here, he get worse. We'd come like attention seeker, like always calling you, but you know, not like mama, mama, not like that. It's the annoying part is like meow, meow, like that, guys. It get really like hard. Louder and louder, and get harder and harder, and I noticed that even Tammy noticed it, and we kind of get annoyed of that because it get louder and louder, and plus it's not just the meow, guys, it's the banging of the gate that we have on the stairs going to the second floor. Every 6 o'clock na lang, guys. Well, he was sleeping with me. It was funny. You know, I usually, you know, guys, I wax my armpits, right? And then the hair now is growing, poking my, you know, it's growing now. It's poking my skin. I try to go out and grow. So it's kind of itchy for me. And then Hobbs was like kneading it, guys. He's kneading. And it feels so good. I said, Hobbs, please. Last night, guys, inano ko talaga siya, guys. I forced him. I hold him. I said, please need more bug. Come on. I don't like this. I don't like this. Come on. I just do like that. And then I do like the funny thing about Hobbs, guys. I do like this. Come on. He do like look at me like this. He touched my mouth. And then I have to wipe it because he touched my mouth. And then obviously I have to clean it and wash it. And that's who he is. And then after that, he's sneezing. Nakakatawa talaga yung anak ko, guys. Oy, yung anak kong pusa, guys. Pusang anak. Nakakatawa kasi it was really funny because I just have to say like, and then suddenly he's kneading my armpits. Oh, it feels so good. I have to tell him, Hobbs, feels so good, Hobbs, please keep going. Do the other side. No, he only do in my left side, guys. He doesn't go into the right side. I don't know, maybe that's his, you know, that's his spots. sobrang annoying, but at the same time is so loving that you cannot get mad at him, of him, and it's always like, always, it's such a loving creature. As in, that's why Tommy miss him so much, guys, because he is the best bug ever. He's the bug of his life. Nag-film, guys, and I like my eyebrow. Did you see my eyebrow? Did you see my eyebrow, guys? Oh my god, yung eyebrow ko. I like the result of the thing, guys, of the foundation I mixed together. It's so nice. And I'm going to Walmart. I'm just gonna go there, run very quick. I'm not gonna stay there forever. I'm just gonna pick up some dog food, and maybe I can pick up some anong tawag nito, yung makeup holder, brush holder, stuff like that. Yung wallet ko pala andito, hindi ko makalakad kung walang wallet, guys. Okay, I'm home, guys. Ano lang, gutom na gutom ako. Okay, I will show you later what I get from Walmart. It's not a lot, it's just very little, because you know. Yeah, I just want to show you what I get from Walmart. I got this drawer organizer, a vanity organizer, whatever. I got this one. This is $8, $8, and it is plastic, but I got this because for my vanity. And I also got the Maybelline brow pencil by Eye Studio, and this is the 250 blonde color, because I need another brow liner. And also, guys, I got a individual you know, the drawer organizer also. The same with this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of them. And yeah, this is like brushes or anything that I can put organized, guys. So I get this one, and this is only for like $3 something. And also I got too many cat food right here. Too many of them, like, guys, look. Cat food, dog food also. At saka, I've been looking for this, is the microwave cover. I really need a microwave cover because I don't like people just microwave and doesn't cover anything. Sometimes, because we don't have this, I put paper plate over there to cover the food, and it's going to flush everything, explosion in the microwave. And I hate cleaning up, especially this microwave that I cannot reach. It's too high. So thankfully, this is only $179. It's really cheap, guys. And also I got a dog bone. Dog bone, this is $10. Yeah, dog bone. Ochre. So yeah, this one is like $3 something. So that's really it. That's all I got. And the bug thinks that I'm eating here, and he is staring down here. Like, what the heck, bug? I was upstairs. I just put everything, like makeup. It's nice when you put all your makeup together in one place, and then you kind of arranging it. Then you will see what you have. Because if your makeup is just like, you know, like in this bag, in the other bag, in this pouch, in the bag hiding in the closet, you don't even know what's what. You don't even know what's what you have. Oh, do you wanna see? Vanity kind of thing. There is 2 glasses here, like a bowl glasses. I don't know what to do with this. I probably put flour here, but it's nice to put it all together. Like, honestly guys, I don't even see myself having all this makeup. I don't even notice that I have this. It's not a lot, but it's too many for me. Honestly, it's not even, this is nothing compared to other people, guys, but for me this is too much. Honestly, it's like, wow, what I really want to have more is brushes. If you guys have brushes, give me more brushes, guys. I will keep it. I'm gonna have it. I need more brushes. Look at my brushes, guys. That's all. Big brushes, that's it. Small brushes, that's it. I need more brushes, period. But I kind of like surprised that, you know, look at the mirror. My lipstick is here. Well, it's not a lot, but I like to collect lipstick. I love lipstick. So, yeah. So I this is for like fall color stuff. My God, Hubs is making noises. I just been trying this memory card in and out to this camera right here. Read the alert. Read the error. It says, is the card locked? So I did unlock it. Bulok ka ni mo dayoy. Bulok mo ko eh. I love this. I love this. I love this. Microwave cover. I'm gonna boil this okra, and I okra this tonight. Hi guys, I have my face mask. Okay, I want to tell you, this is my first time ever doing face mask, and I got this from Walmart a while ago. I think that was last month, and yeah, so I like it. It's very fresh and very soothing into your face. It's very cold, you know, it's very nice feeling. Anyway, time check now, it is 7:59. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm just gonna wait for like, you know, 8:20 to get rid of it. I need to buy more face mask because it really feels good into your face. Look at Roxy's reaction. Let me see. That was quick. It's still wet. Ay, nako. Still wet, oy. Still wet. Ay, nako. That's why it's just really quick. Hi, guys. Good evening, guys. So, I did take off my mask. Really smooth. I don't have to put moisturizer, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate it. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. My brow, guys. Where I check my brow?
Yes, I checked.
I forgot.
What?